Hello, myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic is surface area and its volume. This is chapter 13 in standard 9 as well as in standard 10. First we understand for cuboid. First is cuboid. We know cuboid is obtained from rectangle. So its figure look like this. This is your cuboid. This is called cuboid's length. This is its breadth and this is its height. Now its surface area. It has how many faces? 6 faces. And each faces has a rectangle shape. And its area is length into breadth or breadth into height or height into length. So surface area for cuboid is equal to, it has top and bottom both part included length and breadth. So you have 2 times length into breadth, 2 times breadth into height and 2 times height into length. So you can write 2 times length into breadth plus 2 times breadth into height plus 2 times, you can write this way also, 2 times height into length. Now take 2 outside, so 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. And we know area's unit is either centimeter square or meter square. Now its volume. Volume for cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. And its unit is centimeter cube or meter cube. Now second figure is cube. Cube is obtained from square. So its figure look like this. And it is obtained from the square. So its length, breadth, height are equal. So this is length and this is also length. So its surface area is equal to, you can write this area is L square, this area is L square, you have 6 times L square. So you can write L square plus 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 L square. That's why you can write 6 times L square, centimeter square or meter square. And its volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So you have L into L into L. So you can write L cube or L into L into L. Its unit is centimeter cube or meter cube. Whenever your cube is open or cuboid is open, so whatever side is open, you should be deductive. Suppose this is open from top, so you can write here L into B only 1 times. L into B 1 times you deduct. Same way here 1 L square is deduct. So here is 5 L square. And here is 1 times LB, then 2 times BH and 2 times HL. So whenever you have in your questions open box here, open cuboid or open cube is given, you do this way. Now your third step is cylinder. Cylinder is a stack of circles. That's why cylinder obtained. That means cylinder shape is look like this. This is circle, this is circle, circle, circle. So you have stack of circle and obtain a cylinder. Here you get lot of circle. Now this cylinder height I take here H and this is the circle, this is the circle. Both circles are equal. We take its radius R. Now its surface area. Surface area, that means this. This is its surface and you want to find its area. So what is the circumference of this circle? Because a cylinder is obtained from the circle. So circumference of circle is 2 pi r. And how many circles are created here? Up to h heights. That's why multiply by height. So your surface area become 2 pi r h. Same way total surface area. Total surface area, this means this surface area as well as top and bottom part is included. So middle part surface area is 2 pi RH. Top part is circle and its area is pi r square. Bottom part is circle, its area is pi r square. So plus pi r square. So you can write 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Now take 2 pi r common, so in bracket h plus r. And total surface area and surface area both unit is either centimeter square or meter square. Now its volume. Volume of cylinder is equal to area of circle, that means pi r square into height. So pi r square h. And its unit is centimeter cube or meter cube. Fourth shape is sphere. Sphere, that means ball, orange. This is covered by covered into a whole portions. So this is called sphere, not a hollow. So this is sphere. So surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square and its volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Unit definitely centimeter square or meter square. Centimeter cube or meter cube. Now your fourth shape is hemisphere. Fifth shape. Hemisphere is the half of sphere. This is the sphere and its half portion. So you include this way. This is your hemisphere, this is its radius. So half of this. So its surface area is half of this, that means 2 pi r square. And its total surface area is this plus this part, and this is the circle. So its area is pi r square. So you can write total surface area is 2 pi r square plus pi r square. So it's become 3 pi r square. And its volume is half of sphere's volume. So half of this is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Definitely unit is centimeter square or meter square, and here is centimeter cube or meter cube. Now our last shape is cone. Sixth, cone. So this shape is cone, and cone's bottom part is circle. So this is its radius r, this is its slanting height l, and this is its straight height h, and this is the perpendicular. So you can apply here by Pythagoras theorem, L square is equal to h square plus r square. That means relationship between slanting height, and radius. L square is equal to h square plus r square. Now this is its surface area. So its surface area is pi r l, and its total surface area is this pi r l. That means this portion, and this bottom part is circle, and its area is pi r square. So plus pi r square. Pi r outside, so you have L plus r. Centimeter or meter square. This is. And its volume. Whenever you divide this cylinder into a equal part of cone, so you get 3 equal cone. That's why its volume is 1 by 3 cylindrical volume. So pi r square h volume. Its unit is centimeter cube or meter cube. So these all are 3D shapes and its surface area and its volume. If you really like my channel, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.